Hello and welcome to my Smart School YouTube channel. I will teach you the fastest and easiest way to learn English grammar. Today I am going to talk about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. We use the different parts of speech while writing in and speaking English. Their names are given below. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. First one is noun. A noun is a word which names a person, place, thing or quality. Example: Ashok was a great king. Ashok and king are the name of person. Next, New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi and India are the name of place. Next, the rose smells sweet. Rose is the name of thing. Next, his honesty was praised by all. Honesty is the name of quality. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Example: The boys are going to the playground. They are ready to play a match. Boy is a noun. They is the word used in place of this noun. They is a pronoun. Next, Neha is very kind girl. Everybody love her. Neha is a noun. Her is the word used in place of this noun. Her is pronoun. Next, Geeta is reading the storybook. She is enjoying reading it. Geeta and story are noun. She and it are the word used in place of these noun. She and it are pronoun. The next part of speech is adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun or pronoun. Example: Manoj is a good student. The word good is an adjective. It describes the noun student. Next, he gave me some money. The word some is an adjective. It describes the noun money. Next, many people gathered there. The word many is an adjective. It describes the noun people. Next, he is angry with his sister. The word angry is an adjective. It describes the noun he. The next part of speech is verb. A verb is an action word which tells us what action is being done by someone. Example: The cat ran away from the dog. The word ran is verb. A verb tells us about the action. Next, kangaroos jump to move about. The word jump is verb. A verb tells us about the action. Next, the sun gives us light and heat. The word give is verb. A verb tells us about the action. Next, she smiles at the little baby. The word smiles is verb. A verb tells us about the action. The next part of speech is adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb. Example: Rakesh helps other happily. The word happily modified the verb help, so it is an adverb. Next, the sunrise here is very charming. The word very modified the verb charming, so it is an adverb. Next, Sunita pronounced the word quite correctly. The word quite modifies the verb correctly, so it is an adverb. Next, it is extremely hot today. The word extremely modifies the verb hot, so it is an adverb. The next part of speech is preposition. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun, pronoun and some other word in a sentence. It is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Example: there is a cow in the field. The word in indicates the relation between the noun cow and field. It is a preposition. Next, Sumita is fond of music. The word of indicates the relation between the noun Sumita and music. It is a preposition. Next, she put her purse on the table. The word on indicates the relation between the noun purse and table. It is a preposition. Next, he rested under the tree. The word under indicates the relation between the pronoun he and tree. It is a preposition. The next part of speech is conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join words, group of words or sentences. Example: 2 and 2 make 4. The word and join two nouns. Next, he worked hard but could not succeed. The word but joins a sentence and group of words. Next, run fast or you will miss the train. The word or join two sentences. Such words are called conjunction. Next, he got a prize because he worked hard. The word because join two sentences. Such words are called conjunction. The next part of speech is interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden or strong feeling. Example: ah, he is saved. Next, hurrah, he has scored a goal. Next, oh, what a horrible sight. Thank you for watching this video.